Here's the step-by-step how to hand propagation of squash. First is you need to find the mature male and the female flower of squash. Second is you need to collect the pollens in the stamen of a male flower using cotton buds. Make sure that you collected a lot of pollens. Third is place your collected pollens in the stigma of the female flower. Make sure that you put more. And then you have it. Also, here's other method of hand propagating squash. First is you just simply remove the petals of the male flower of a squash. And second is put the stamen of the male flower in the stigma of female flower. And then you have it. It's simple but yet effective. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it.